Which country will chair G20 Foreign Minister Extraordinary Meeting? सऊदी अरबिया मेंबर है, 19 कंट्री मेंबर है और यूरोपियन यूनियन प्लस में। फर्स्ट मीटिंग हुआ था 2008 में अमेरिका में G20 का। 14वां मीटिंग हुआ था जापान में 2019 में। 15वां सऊदी अरब 2020 में। 16वां 21 में होगा, 16वां होगा 2021 में इटली में, और 20वां हो जाएगा 2022 में। 17वां होगा 2022 में इंडिया में। इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ चैरिटी मार्क्स द डेथ एनिवर्सरी ऑफ विच? मदर टेरेसा। इंदिरा नेवी इज bilateral maritime exercise of the Indian Navy with which country? तो ये है रसिया के साथ। रसिया बिकम वर्ल्ड फर्स्ट कंट्री टू रजिस्टर कोविड-19 वैक्सीन स्पुतनिक वी। रसिया फर्स्ट रेजिमेंट ऑफ S-400 anti-air system will be delivered to India. The 6th International Military Technical Forum Army 200 2020 held in Russia. Russia to launch its first satellite Arktika M. Russia to host 12th BRICS Summit 2020. Caucasus 2020 military exercise with Russia. Which company has launched a portable ventilator named as SpiceJet? Indian Railways develops low-cost ventilator prototype named the G1. IIT Roorkee develops a low-cost portable ventilator called Pranvayu. IIT Hyderabad developed low-cost ventilator called G1 Lite. IIT Bombay developed low-cost mechanical ventilator called Ruhdar. NASA developed high pressure ventilator Vital. CSIRNAL develops non-invasive ventilator Swasth Vayu. Which nation has signed a deal with India to set up an AK-203 assault rifle factory at Amethi? Russia. India's military deals 2020. Russia assault rifle Arsad and Karmel, Israel. Nagio light machine gun, Israel. S-400 surface-to-air missile system, Russia. Rafale fighter jet, France. Apache and Chinook helicopter, USA. Name the Indian GM who has won the annual award Open Online Chess Tournament title for 2020. P. Innian. Tamil Nadu G. Akash becomes 66th Grandmaster of India. Russia announced joint winners of FIDE Online Olympiad 2020 chess. Indian Grandmaster D. Gukesh wins 34th Canon Open in France. Indian Grandmaster Koneru Hempi wins 2020 Carnes Cup chess tournament in USA. China wins FIDE-Chess.com Online Nations Cup, India's 5th rank. Which city of India is set to get the country's first regional voters awareness center by the Election Commission of India? Jaipur. India has signed MOU with which country in the field of geology and mineral resource? Finland. List of signed MOU in News 2020. India and Maldives sign MOU on emergency medical service. India European Union sign MOU on scientific and technological. India and Japan sign MOU on good quality of textile products. India and Bhutan sign MOU on area of environment. India and Denmark sign MOU on power sector. India and Australia sign MOU on mutual logistic support. India and Israel signs MOU on cyber security. Pang Labsol is the festival celebrated in which state? Sikkim. List of the latest festival to 2020. Dragonfly Festival, Kerala. Nuakhai Festival, Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Divijing Festival, Assam. Bangas Awam Mela, Jammu and Kashmir. Adi Peruki Festival, Tamil Nadu. Harela Festival, Uttarakhand. अम्बुबाची मेला असम, राजा परबा फेस्टिवल उड़ीसा, खीर भवानी मेला जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, फूलदेई फेस्टिवल उत्तराखंड, होला मोहल्ला फेस्टिवल पंजाब, कोबिता उत्सव फेस्टिवल वेस्ट बंगाल, फागली फेस्टिवल हिमाचल प्रदेश, गंगा कयाक फेस्टिवल उत्तराखंड. Which state and union territory has paired with Goa? उड़े उंडे एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत भारत प्रोग्राम. झारखंड, मुख्यमंत्री श्रमिक योजना. झारखंड रिलेटेड न्यूज़. मुख्यमंत्री श्रमिक योजना, वीर शहीद पोटो हो खेल विकास स्कीम, बिरसा हरित ग्राम योजना, नीलांबर पीतांबर जल समृद्धि योजना, प्रयागम ऐप, तत्पर प्रोग्राम, सोहराई को कोवर पेंटिंग को जीआई टैग मिला है. झारखंड का सीएम हेमंत सोरेन चैंपियंस ऑफ चेंज 2019 अवार्ड मिला है. लार्ज ऑरेंज डायमंड ICAI झारखंड नेम आफ्टर द श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी. The Move Bank app has been launched by which bank? RBL Bank. When is World Coconut Day observed? 2nd September. थीम 2020 का है इन्वेस्ट इन कोकोनट टू सेव द वर्ल्ड. The AI-powered voice chatbot Ligo has been launched by which insurance company? ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. Chatbot in News 2020. COVID Cobot 19 Goa Pi NPCI. Large Orange Diamond TIA Tata Capital. Ask Disha Indian Railway iPal ICICI Bank. MyGov Corona Help Desk WhatsApp. The Cycling Federation of India will host the first ever cycling summit in 2021 across the New Delhi, Mumbai and Bengaluru, all of the above. India's host upcoming sport event IFA Under-17 Women World Cup 21, ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2021, ICC Men's World Cup 2023, Men's Hockey World Cup 2023, AFC Women's Asian Cup 2022. Who assumes charge as the chairman and managing director of Hindustan Shipyard Limited? Hemant Khatri. Government of India has a target to achieve 175 megawatt of renewable energy capacity by which year? 2022. India's largest list of the important India's target year 2020 in the news 2020. By 2022, doubling the farmers' income. By 2023, Indian Railway electrified broad gauge route. 2023 to 2024, India produced 1 billion ton of coal. 2024, Indian Railway 100% electrification. 2024, provide clean drinking water to all citizens. 2024, Har Ghar Jal for rural household. 2025, to eliminate TB. 2030, Indian Railways net zero carbon emission. 2030, India to eliminate the malaria. 2030, green railways. 2030, 100 million ton coal gasification in India. What is the insurance cover under the Chanvi COVID Yodha Sanrakshan Yojana? 5 lakh. Who will implement the Chanvi COVID Yodha Sanrakshan Yojana? Only LIC. The Chanvi COVID Yodha Sanrakshan Yojana has been launched by the government for employees working in contaminated area across India. Which platform has launched by Ministry of Power for Renewable Energy in India? GTAM platform. Which state government has decided to set up exclusive anti-electricity theft police station in every district? Uttar Pradesh. उत्तर प्रदेश रिलेटेड न्यूज़ 2020। मेजर ध्यानचंद विजय पथ योजना, नवीन रोजगार छतरी योजना, बाल श्रमिक विद्या योजना, मुख्यमंत्री कृषक दुर्घटना कल्याण योजना, टीम 11 ऐप, प्रवासी राहत मित्र ऐप, आयुष कवच कोविड ऐप, अन्नपूर्णा सप्लाई मित्र पोर्टल, कौशल सतरंग प्रोग्राम, मिशन वृक्षारोपण वृक्षरोपण मिशन वृक्षरोपण 2020। उत्तर प्रदेश बिकम फर्स्ट स्टेट टू जियो टैग कम्युनिटी किचन। उत्तर प्रदेश बिकम फर्स्ट स्टेट टू इनिशिएट pool testing of COVID-19. India's first war memorial for animals to be set up in Meerut, UP. Kushinagar Airport in Uttar Pradesh as an international airport. Cabinet has approved which mission of civil service capacity building? Mission Karmayogi. Indian Railways has developed a remote control medical trolley named what to deliver food medicine to COVID-19 patient. Med boat. India blocked how many mobile app on September 2, 2020? 118 mobile app. Thank you.